Woyoy, welcome to Cook and Vibe people, season 10. We're there, Kingston. Yeah, we're gonna check out Ziggy's restaurant, Ziggy Marley's restaurant. It's on Stone Love Road. That's what we know it as because the famous Weddy Weddy Wednesday. And all them thing there are here. So we're gonna check out the restaurant and then we're gonna show you wagwan about the clubs and the whatnot. Yeah, give you a little info and thing. Woyoy! As you can see, people, there is the menu at Ziggy's restaurant. Yes, we are here for breakfast today. So on the menu is curry, chicken, ackee and saltfish and a few other things. So I think I'm gonna go for the curry chicken today, but there are the options as you can see. Ziggy's restaurant. Yes, people, curry chicken, sweet potato, dumpling. That is it. There with the G.
Wild burger style.
That is it. Yeah. Yeah, people. So that's the breakfast. Curry chicken, some yam, sweet potato, good vibes. Some water there. Looks like it's a fit them one. Yeah, good vibes. The curry chicken, bad. Now I tell her this, all the sweet potato. Man, big up Z. Tell me about the restaurant, Ziggy's restaurant. What's the road name? What's the main road name?
Stone Love Road.
Okay, Stone Love Road. That's what you
The girls have called it Eastwood Park, but we say East Cooks Park.
Okay, see there. So we're gonna show you where it is after. Stone Love is a famous place as well, so we'll show you that after. Some signed pictures and everything here, people. Really, man. Future fanboy. Don't know already, right? Stone Love. There is a very, very famous sound system in Jamaica. Years and years. And in Kingston, especially on these streets, you have the hot parties. They call the hot parties, and that's where like the parties, but like all the big celebrities go to the parties and all them something there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is one of the places called Weddy Weddy Wednesday. If you can see inside there. Ah, there you go. Yeah, inside there is Weddy Weddy Wednesday, and you see with the big artists, then a party and beer things are going. One of the best dances, isn't it? Yeah. So yeah, man. Weddy Weddy Wednesday, Stone Love, and then Ziggy's restaurant is just down the road there still. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Hoi, welcome to the big up section, people. You don't know how the thing's set. I hope you're alright, man. Let's do the right thing. Today, little short episode, extra one. Do you know what I'm saying? I thought I'll just give you some extra ones whilst we're in Jamaica. You get me? So yes, people, Ziggy Marley's restaurant. Obviously, Bob Marley, Ziggy Marley, if you don't know, but everyone should know already. So that was interesting. There weren't so much I could give you in the restaurant. There wasn't much to give you. So yeah, we made what we could out of it. But the food was really, really, really nice. You get me? So this week's big up, people. Big up. Does Tox, he says, Woyoy M. That chicken them look nice. Big up. Woyoy energy. Big up yourself. That was regarding to the rotisserie chicken on the water. People, that episode didn't get enough views. Honestly, one of the most amazing episodes that's ever happened on Cook and Vibe. Mad thing. Rotisserie chicken, powered by water. Go and check it out. It's the previous, how many episodes? But just go and check. Honestly, it's worth it. And also big up Gina9999 says a true yard man can turn water into wine. Just amazing. Regarding the same video, honestly, it's amazing. It's actually amazing what this guy done to create this rotisserie. It's crazy. You need to check it out. And yeah, I'll see you next time, people. Bye bye.